If you are looking for just a standalone CRM, Pipedrive is a fantastic option. However, if you are looking for something that you can scale with, then GoHighLevel is really a fantastic choice. GoHighLevel offers a ton of features including CRM as well as a lot more. Today we're going to go through exactly which one you should be using. Now there's an affiliate link in the description down below for GoHighLevel. If you would like to get started and scale your business, you can go ahead and use that link. Alright, so we're jumping into GoHighLevel now, and the one thing about GoHighLevel is it's an all-in-one platform. It combines CRM, email, SMS marketing, your sales funnels, appointment scheduling, reputation management, and there's so many more items to mention, and this literally is just one single suite. There's no need for multiple tools or any integrations. It literally allows you to manage everything in one place. You can also simplify all of your workflows, so you can manage your leads, pipelines, and custom communications all in one intuitive interface, saving you time and reducing your operational complexity across your entire team. And this you can scale up to however many team members you have. Okay, it's trusted by more than 2 million businesses, and there are 1.37 million messages sent per month, providing its scalability and reliability at enterprise level. So it's also been named the best enterprise CRM solution at the 2025 MarTech Breakthrough Awards for innovation and ease of use. The next thing that we're going to have a look at is their powerful automations and integrations that drive growth. Now, this means you can automate follow-ups via SMS, email, voicemail, as well as social DMs with personalized multi-channel campaigns that nurture leads effortlessly as well as consistently. It also offers you a centralized inbox that ensures that no message or lead slips through the cracks, boosting your responsiveness and customer satisfaction rate significantly. If you've got somebody interested in your business, you need to make sure that you offer them the service they deserve. It is a cost-effective solution. If you have a look at what's out there and what you're actually paying for it, you're looking at GoHighLevel, and the difference is huge, okay? And this is when you really explore a little bit deeper than what the surface shows. It gives you unlimited users on one single plan, eliminating multiple subscriptions and lowering the overhead for agencies and growing businesses. So the amount of seats that you need is actually not going to influence what your plan will be, or what your plan will cost. It's user-friendly, it's easy to use, it's a very smooth learning curve, even for non-tech savvy people. It accelerates team adoption and productivity literally from day one. And then it's got a built-in funnel builder. You can build landing pages and reputation management streamlines, which streamlines your sales and marketing in one powerful platform. You can literally experience the future of CRM right now, where automation meets simplicity and scalable growth. So let's also dive into Pipedrive as an alternative. Okay, now Pipedrive as a CRM is fantastic. It's built for speed, simplicity, and it really gives your sales teams a clear visual workspace to manage literally every deal from the first touch to actually closing the deal. Now, this is something that you can look forward to, the drag and drop deals. This allows you to basically move deal cards across stages with an intuitive interface that mirrors how your team actually sells. This is very intuitive, it's very hands-on, and it's very manual, so you can really just do whatever you like. You can also see that you have custom stages, so you can tailor your pipeline stages to match any sales process, because no two businesses are the same, so you're able to do this. Also, it comes from a simple 3-step funnel to more complex enterprise workflows. Also, you can also see your deals in progress instantly in real time, your bottlenecks and your priorities, so that your team can always know what to focus on next. It also has centralized contacts, so you can sync your Gmail, Outlook, and all of your calendars for a unified view of literally every interaction. We also have smart reminders, so these are automated follow-ups that ensure no opportunity slips through the cracks. And then you have the timeline view. This allows you to see your calls, emails, and tasks consolidated into a single contact history, and that's fantastic. The next thing that we're having a look at over here is their features. So we see over here that they have workflow automations, which is always great. You eliminate repetitive tasks and triggered actions that keep deals moving automatically without any manual human input. The next thing is their AI-powered suggestions. This allows you to get smart follow-up recommendations based on deal history and engagement patterns. Also, the lead generation. So chatbots and AI prospecting tools capture and qualify leads around the clock. Again, without you having to put your manual effort into that. We have an email drag and drop builder, which is great. It's really easy. They have a library full of templates which you can use at your discretion and create from, making it your own. You can target the right audience with their CRM powered segments and their detailed analytics, which is always great. And also, you can seamlessly merge your CRM data into campaigns for messaging that really feel like a one-to-one. As you can see, Pipedrive is very good with their pipeline automations. However, if you are looking for an all-in-one tool that will save you, then GoHighLevel probably is a better option. If this was helpful, drop us a like and don't forget to use the affiliate link in the description down below.